everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Slack profile picture on your mobile device. If you want to personalize your Slack profile with a new picture, here is how you can do it. First of all, open up the Slack application on your mobile device and log into your account. Once logged in, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner from the home page and then tap on your profile picture once again. This will take you to Edit Profile section. Here you can tap on Edit Photo and you can then choose whether you'd like to take a photo from your device's camera or select an existing picture from your device's camera roll. I'm going to pick the first option. Now this will take you to your device's camera roll from where you can select a picture and adjust it within the frame and click on Choose at the bottom right. Soon after you do that, you will be able to update or change your profile picture on Slack. Now tap on Save at the top right to save the change, and that's it. That's how you have successfully updated your Slack profile picture on your mobile device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.